Welcome to Balanandam YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain 3rd Class English Workbook, The Loyal Mongoose. This is SURYAPRAKASH and this video is created for teachers and parents as a resource. Please do subscribe. Worksheet number 3.1. First one. Read the first paragraph and identify the 4-letter words and write them in the space given below. Once they lived up to half the day. Example: wife, born, baby, also, went, some, work, left, take and care. Second one. Match with the same word. One is done for you. Farmer, farmer, wife, wife, mongoose, mongoose, house, house, baby, baby. Third one. Make meaningful sentences from the following table. Example: the farmer went to the field. Lata went to school. Gopi went to market. Deepika went to town. And Hema went to house. Next, worksheet number 3.2. Read the second paragraph and identify the 5 and 6 letter words and write them in the space given below. Meanwhile, a long snake up to and killed it. Snake, house, cradle and killed. Next, second one. Supply the missing letters to complete the words. First one, entered, E. Second one, attacked, A. Third one, killed, E. Fourth one, immediately, A. Last one, crawling, I. Next, third one, pick out the words from the circle and write them in the alphabetical order in the blanks. Entered, attacked, killed, house, cradle. Now we have to write in alphabetical order: attacked, cradle, entered, house and killed. Next, worksheet number 3.3. Read the passage mentioned below from your lesson. When the farmer's wife up to the mongoose away. Match with the same word. One is done for you. Entrance, entrance. Blood stains, blood stains. Teeth, teeth. Temper, temper. Stick, stick. House and house. Next, second one. Make 5 meaningful sentences from the table given below. One is done for you. She saw a mongoose. I saw a bird. You saw a snake. We saw a tree. He saw an elephant. Next, third one. Write the words that start with the letter from the paragraph 3. One is done for you. S. Snake. M. Mongoose. E. There is no word. And I. It's. A. Away. Next, worksheet number 3.4. Read the passage mentioned below from your lesson. When she entered the house, up to happened next. First one. Observe the pattern of words and fill in the blanks. One is done for you. Sleep plus ing, sleeping. Crawl plus ing, crawling. Read plus ing, reading. Play plus ing, playing. Talk plus ing, talking. Next, second one. Write the missing letters in the words. Entrance, A. Temper, E. Blood, O. Stains, I. And teeth, E. Third one. Write the meaningful sentences from the table. One is done for you. Example: a little baby is sleeping. A boy is playing. A cat is jumping. A monkey is climbing. A girl is dancing. Next, worksheet number 3.5. Reading comprehension. Read the passage. Once there lived a farmer and his wife. They had a newborn baby. They also had mongoose as a pet. One day the farmer went to, like this, a paragraph is given. Now fill in the blanks. The characters mentioned in the paragraph are, answer, the farmer and his wife. Second one, their pet is dash, a mongoose. Third one, the farmer went to field. Next, second one, your teacher will dictate some words, write them below. Next, worksheet number 3.6, vocabulary. First one, write the names of domestic animals in the boxes. Use the words in sentences. One is done for you. Domestic animals: cow, dog, goat, sheep, rabbit, cat, pig, and buffalo. Example: the buffalo is a domestic animal. The cow is a domestic animal. The dog is a domestic animal. And the cat is a domestic animal. Next, color the nouns mentioned in the story in the grid. Use the clues. One is done for you. Farmer, snake, wife, baby, cradle, teeth, mongoose, mouth. Now we have to identify these words in the table. Cradle, wife, teeth is given, baby, mongoose. Like this we have to identify. Next, worksheet number 3.7, grammar. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Use the clues given below. Red, tall, green, round, small. This is a coconut tree, it is tall. This is an ant, it is small. Next, this is a ball, it is round. This is a tomato, it is red. This is a mango, it is green. Next, second one, look at the pictures. Select the correct answer from the given options. First one, the elephant is a dash animal. Answer C, big animal. Second one, the elephant has dash trunk. B, long. Third one, the elephant has dash ears. Answer A, broad. Next, fourth one, it has dash body. Answer C, large body. Fifth one, it has dash eyes. Answer A, small. Now write 4 sentences about the elephant. One is done for you. First one, the elephant has a long trunk. The elephant is a big animal. The elephant has broad ears. The elephant has large body. The elephant has small eyes. Next, worksheet number 3.8. First one, write at least 4 sentences from the table. One has been done for you. Could you give me your pencil, your book, water, your pen, your slate? Now we have to frame sentences using the above words. Example, could you give me your pencil? Could you give me your book? Could you give me water? Could you give me your pen? Could you give me your slate? Next, second one, punctuate with correct question marks and full stops. Lata, Rani, do you have any pet animal? Question mark. Rani, yes, I have a kitten. Full stop. Lata, what is its name? Question mark. Rani, Kittu. Full stop. Lata, What does it like to eat to drink or drink? Question mark. It likes milk. Full stop. Next. Worksheet number 3.9. Write sentences with clues given below. One is done for you. Black, round, green, long, blue, white, and some pictures also given. Example, this is a crow. It is black. This is a pen. It is blue. This is a plate. It is round. This is a bag. It is green. This is an egg. This is an egg. It is white. This is a snake. It is long. Next, second one. Your teacher will dictate some words. Write them below. Next, worksheet number 3.10. First one, read the passage. Kiran has a pet animal. Its name is Tommy. He likes to play with, like that a paragraph is given. Now choose the correct answer and circle it. First question, who has a pet animal? Answer C, Kiran. Second one, what is its name? Answer A, Tommy. Where does Tommy go with Kiran? Answer B, school. What does Tommy like to eat? Answer B, biscuits. What does Kiran like? Answer A, to play with Tommy. Next, second one. Your teacher will dictate some words. Write them below. Mongoose, kill, sleep, attack, mouth, house, and forest. Next, read the lesson and answer. First question, what was the farmer's pet? Answer, the farmer's pet was mongoose. Second question, which animal entered the farmer's house? Answer, a snake entered the farmer's house. Third question, how did the mongoose protect the baby? Answer, mongoose killed the snake to protect the baby from the danger. Next, fourth question, who sent the mongoose out? Answer, the farmer's wife sent the mongoose out. Fifth question, how did the farmer's wife feel when she saw the baby alive? Answer, the farmer's wife felt sorry for what she had done to the mongoose. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe Balanandam YouTube channel.